Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. And Mario is taking a little nap, as you can see right here. But yeah, guys, I want to talk to you guys about the LG G7 and how they are possibly taking a break from making flagships so soon, and they're actually rethinking it from scratch. The CEO has told the LG people that are making the LG product or whatever, the LG G7, to actually take it easy and to actually rethink what they are doing. So I'm going to take a little foot race with Cooper here while we talk about this. So yeah, I think it's actually a good idea that they're doing this. So they don't just keep putting out the same type of product, and they really think about what they're doing and how they're going to do it, and they don't just get overshadowed by Samsung, because that's what usually happens every year, is that, you know, the LG G6 or the LG G5 will come out, and then shortly thereafter Samsung will release their phone with a few better specs or whatnot, and then, you know, LG's product is forgotten. So LG hasn't posted a profit in 11 quarters now, so they are not doing well at all, guys. And you know, I see it a lot of times, even at Target or Target Mobile and all types of other places where flagships are sold. People just really don't go for the LG products. They either go for the Samsung products or the Apple products, which is really sad, because LG products are really, really nice and really well built. So I think this is a great idea of what they're doing. So yeah, so basically the CEO just told them to scrap whatever they got now and rethink it from new. So let me know, guys, what you think in the comments below. Let me go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.